Good afternoon viewers. Today again we are at a beautiful property which is getting ready shortly and which is located in Jakkur, Bangalore North. If you're looking for something ready to move in, a 2-bedroom, spacious sizes, and again a 3-bedroom at a larger sizes, then this is the property which you have to watch in for. So we are entering to the main door of the property. So 2 bedrooms are all west facings currently available. So you enter, which has a bit of foyer space. Then you enter into the large living area. The living area comes with a balcony in there, and this is the view of the bedroom view, the living area. So the balconies are also decent sizes in here, and that is the view from the balcony. So, and then a dedicated space for your kitchen space, as this is almost around a 1350 square feet, a pretty spacious 2-bedroom design. Then you walk into the kitchen area, you get a parallel slab in here practically. This is one side and this is the parallel side where you got a good space for the kitchen, and then the utility here where you can place in a dishwasher as well as a washing machine, as the space is good in here, and cross lit and ventilated in the kitchen area also completely. So now we are going towards the kids bedroom, as this is a 2-bedroom design, spacious kids bedroom in here. So this is how the kids bedroom space is pretty well designed in here. And then you have the common washroom. All the fixtures are all from Parry and Jaguar in here, and the washrooms are also pretty spacious in here. So the bathing, the pot, the sink area there. Now the master bedroom. So in the master bedroom you get the laminated wooden flooring. This is by default, and this is the wow factor. You get a good spacious master bedroom where you have a good space for the bed in place. The master bedroom here, and in the master bedroom you have this dedicated space which can be again used for some storage purpose, and the attached washroom here. Again spacious washrooms and all, bathing, the pot, the sink and everything in here. For further details, contact PropTech Realty, one of the major marketing partners in Bangalore. Thank you.